Stop settling for bland coffee. Make the perfect cup with Java Starr. We're an experienced team of coffee lovers who have spent years designing and developing coffee machines for major brands. But all the while, we knew there was a better way to get more out of your coffee beans. Over the years, we developed Java Starr, which uses a new, revolutionary way of brewing to give you the perfect coffee. It can be hard to make a good coffee. We found that the traditional drip coffee makers brew coffee to be too watery and espresso to be too strong that it overpowers the flavor of the beans. There just isn't an affordable machine that can truly untap the flavor of the coffee itself. Java Starr uses a new process that we call vacuum brewing. It's easier than drip coffee, less expensive than espresso machines, and more precise in siphon brewing. We couldn't be more proud of the Java Starr and how it simplified the science of the perfect coffee into the push of a button. Now we want you to experience a perfect cup of coffee, just like us.